welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King, for those of you who do not know me. And for today's episode, we're going to be working with fresh cut flowers. Now, I've done many centerpieces, and with my centerpieces, I have used all fake flowers. And some people prefer real flowers, and I myself, when I renew my vows, I considered using real flowers as well, because with real flowers you can get fragrance. You can get fragrance flowers, as opposed to fake flowers. They don't have a fragrance to them. So I thought that I would begin to gain some experience working with real flowers, and I'm growing a lot of beautiful flowers in my garden. And I never thought that I would ever cut my flowers and use them for a fresh cut floral arrangement, but I have like a lot of black-eyed Susans, and I have some flowers that I have like an abundance of. So I am going to do some more episodes with fresh cut flowers. So I'm going to let you know what you're going to need today. Now, I got my fresh cut flowers. Let me show you how they look. I got these from Sam's Club. So I got a jumbo bouquet, and I got like a smaller bouquet. So hopefully I have enough flowers. Now, my flowers came to like $23. And let me show you the other. Okay, so these are the other. So I have 2 batches of them. Also, I got this lanyard from Walmart, so I'm going to be using this in my arrangement. I have this silver tray. This is what I'm going to put my arrangement on. I have a candle to go into my lanyard. Floral tape. This tape is water resistant. Scissors for cutting flowers, a knife, and then I have wet foam soaking over here. So that is all the things that you're gonna need. When I got my flowers, just so that you know, I cut them at like a slant, and I put them into these vases, and I made sure I gave them the plant food that came with them. So, and then I also, for the wet foam, they say to just soak it like 1 to 2 minutes. So I've been having it soaking for probably about an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. End up cutting down this foam a lot. I had a little trial and error. At first I was trying to use a lot of the foam, and then I was noticing that I would have needed more flowers. So as I've told you, this is my first time working with fresh flowers, so I realized the more foam you use, the more flowers you're gonna need to cover that foam. So I have cut this foam down. I kind of gave it a rounded shape. So now I am going to begin to put my flowers in. So that's what I'm doing now. I had to get rid of a lot of that foam so I can make sure this arrangement is nice and full. just so that you know, they did say once you place it in the foam, you can't pull it back out and place it back in that same spot. You do have to pull it out. I mean, if you pull it out, you have to put it in a different spot. So you can't put it back in the same hole. Okay, just continuing to fill everything in. And I am cutting them at a slant. So I finished the arrangement. Just want to show you how it looks all around. I did good for my first time working with fresh flowers. Other than I did waste a lot of the wet foam. So just make sure you don't try to use too much of the wet foam if you decide to do this project. Also, I like that this arrangement is very full. I probably did not need all of these flowers. I also like the way the flowers are fragrance. It has just such a lovely smell to it. Now, I don't know if you noticed, the smell of the flowers have been bothering my allergies really, really bad. So like in the beginning of the video, you might see me moving my nose a certain way and stuff like that, because like my eyes are itching, my nose is itching, my head is hurting a little. So that would be the only drawback to working with these fresh flowers. If you have allergies, get prepared. But it is beautiful. It reminds me of a house with like flowers around it. So I feel like it came out really, really nice. And for my first time, I don't think I did that bad. And I am gonna continue to work with more and more fresh flowers. Like I told you, I have some growing in my garden. So comment below and let me know what you think of this centerpiece. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you know of anybody that would be interested in making this centerpiece for their wedding or for any event that they have coming up and they want to use fresh flowers, share this with them. I did get this idea from Pinterest. I did see pictures of arrangements that are similar to this. So I said, okay, let me give that a try because I wanted to work with the fresh flowers. So also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. Thank you for tuning in with me today. Until I see you next time, bye.